Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Muhammad Aslam, and today our talk is on the evolution of management theory. In this presentation, we will discuss the key theories of management. Basically, the main function of management is start from efficiency toward adaptability. A journey through 7 foundational theories that shaped how we lead, organize, and excel organization. These are the some major and key theories of management that we are going to discuss in our today presentation. The first one is scientific management theory, and next is administrative management theory, and human relation theory, quantitative management theory, system theory, contingency theory, and quality management theory. And the first one is scientific management theory. Basically, the founder of scientific management theory was Taylor. He also called the father of efficiency and scientific management theory. Taylor believed work could be measured, analyzed, and optimized like a machine. Further, these are some relevant principles and studies about scientific management theory. The first one is time and motion studies. According to these studies, they break tasks into smallest component and measure each movement. And the second one is standardizations. Define the one best way to perform every job. And the third one is performance based pay. The reward of the workers should be paid according to the output of worker. The next is as administrative management theory. The founder of administrative management theory was Henry Few. As Taylor focused on worker, while Few focused on manager, he identified universal principle for organizing and leading entire organizations. Some of the major principles are showing in this slide. The first one is division of work. Specialization increases output. According to the specialization of the worker, the work is divided to some specific worker. The second one is authority and responsibility. Power must match accountability. The third one is unity of command. Each employee report to one manager, not to many manager. He will answerable to only a single one manager. And the next is scalar chain. Clear hierarchy from top to bottom. Every position holder answerable to only a single position holder in their hierarchy. The next theory of management is human relations theory. The founder of the human relation theories was Elton Mayo. According to their Hawthorne studies 1924 to 1932. He investigates that productivity is not just about process. Social need, recognition, and group dynamics are powerful motivators. The first thing is social need matters. According to Elton Mayo, workers perform better when they feel valued and connected. The second one is informal group. Workplace social structures influence behavior more than formal rules. And the third one is the Hawthorne effect. Attention and observation alone can boost performance, according to Elton Mayo. The next theory of management is quantitative management theory. This theory basically start or born after the World War II. This theory applies mathematical models, statistics, and data analysis to management decisions, removing guesswork from leadership. Basically, all the decisions of the management will be taken on the basis of data, on the basis of statistics. The first principle of this quantitative management theory is operation research. Optimize logistics, scheduling, and resources allocation using algorithms. Next is scientific management science. Use simulation and modeling to test decision before acting. The third one is decision theory. Quantify risk and probability to choose the best course of action. And the next theory is system theory. Ludwig von Butterfly 1950s. An organization is not a collection of parts, it is a living system where every element affects every other. According to Ludwig, system thinking reveals that changing one element, say a new technology, ripples through culture, process, and outputs. Manager must think holistically, not in silos. Key insight of the system theory: the whole is greater than the sum of its part. And this model is representing the system theory, organization as a system. An input, the element, one of the element, input, resources, people, capital are the input of the organization. And the next is transformation process, operation, culture, technology. The next one is, third one is output, products, services, results, etc. And feedback loop. The fourth one is performance, data, cluster, responses. And the last one is environment, external forces, market, regulations, customers, and society as well. And next theory of management theory is contingency theory. Federer Lawrence 1960s to 70s. There is no single best way to manage. The right approach depends on the situation. According to Federer, the manager manage the system according to situation. The first thing is, according to Federer, situation. Assess the environment, team, and task. And the next is variable. Consider size, technology, culture, and uncertainty. And the third one is adaptive style. Match leadership approach to context. And last one is outcome. Flexible management drives better results. And the next and the last theory of this today presentation or talk is quality management theory. The main founder of quality management theories are Deming, Joran, Crespi. The quality management theory system start from 1950s to onward. Excellence is not, according to quality management, excellence is not an event. It's a continuous organization-wide commitment to quality at every level. The three important functions or principles discussed here. The first one is total quality management. Every employee own quality from the factory to border room. And second is Six Sigma. Reduce defect to 3.5 per million using statistical process control. According to Six Sigma, the error is only 0.00001%. Only 3 out of millions error is acceptable. The last one is ISO standards, International Standard Organization. Every organization must follow their relevant ISO. This is the global framework for ensuring consistent quality management system. So, at the end, we have tried to compare all these 7 theories. The first, according to this scientific management key strengths and main limitation. We have discussed 2 things: key strength and main limitations. On the basis of these concepts, we will try to understand and compare all these 7 management theories. According to scientific management theory, maximization of efficiency through standardization, and the limitation of scientific theories ignores human motivation and creativity. And according to administrative management theory, provide clear structural principles, and the main limitation to rigid for dynamic environment. Human relation theory, according to recognize social and emotional needs. Main limitation can underemphasize task efficiency. Quantitative management theory's main key strength is enable objective data-driven decisions. Limitations is overlook qualitative human factor. System theory, holistic view of organizational dynamics. Main limitation is complex to implement in practice. Contingency theory, flexible and context sensitive. Main limitation of contingency theory is lack a single perspective formula. And qualitative management is last one. Key strength of qualitative management theory drives continuous improvement culture, and main limitation require long-term commitment and resources. And our last slide of today talk and discussion is integrating theories of modern challenge. No single theory hold all the answer. Effective modern manager blend insight from all 7, adapting to context, people, data, and system simultaneously. The first thing, diagnoses the situation. Use contingency theory to assess context and constraints. And the second step is design the structure, apply administrative and system thinking to build the right organizations. And the third principle or step is engage your people. Draw on human relation and quality principle to motivate and develop team. And the last one is optimize with data, leverage quantitative and scientific management to measure and improve performance. So this all about today, our today presentation, which were about the theories of management. Thank you for your time and attention.